Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Ahmed, you know me. I am working physician in UAE, and today I am going to discuss with you that as a healthcare professional, as a doctor, nurse, or whatever you are, uh, how to get a job in UAE starting from the first step till the last. I will give you a brief introduction about UAE. I will not go in very details, but a brief introduction as much as is required for you. Then I will tell you the different criteria, how to start, from where to start, and which exams are available, which should you select, and then steps of it till getting the job. So stay with me, and meanwhile, if you have not joined my channel, kindly do it now. So as I said earlier, I will first give you the overview of all the states of UAE, because you can get job as a healthcare professional, doctor, nurse, or lab technician, whatever you are. In any of these states you can do job. So you should know the names, because all the options are open for you. There are 7 states of UAE, and it started in 1971 with 6 states initially. They were Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, and then Ajman, and then Quwain and Fujairah. 7th state Rasul Khaimah joined them in 1972. So you can get job in all these states. But you should know about that, what is the criteria to get job in these states. And criteria is to pass their licensing exam. And there are 3 types of licensing exams. All exams are not valid in all states. First thing is for Dubai. For Dubai, you can appear in DHA. That is abbreviation of Dubai Health Authority. So to work in Dubai as a healthcare professional, you have to clear their licensing exam. That is called DHA. To work in Abu Dhabi, you have to appear in their exam. That is called DOH. DOH is abbreviation of Department of Health. Let me clear you here one thing. HAAD is the same exam that is DOH. I've told you multiple times, HAAD was old name. Now it's DOH. Many people still call it HAAD. HAAD, DOH is same. The name of exam is DOH now for last so many years. Third exam is called MOH, Ministry of Health. This exam is valid for all other 5 states. Got my point? MOH will work for 5 states, not for Dubai or Abu Dhabi. And DOH is only valid for Abu Dhabi, and then DHA is only valid for Dubai. Yes, you can convert your license after doing your job for 4 to 6 months. You can go to other zone, other state, and you have to reapply for the license without appearing in exam. But for first job, you have to get clearance in the same exam of that state. Okay, let me explain it to you more again. If you have passed DHA at start, you can only do job in Dubai. After 6 months of doing job, you can apply to any other state. Okay, and but you have to get the license of that state. That is a process, but that process you can do without appearing in that exam. Okay, you got my point? So the first thing is your decision. Actually, if you want to come in UAE, you should take a firm decision on that. And it is true for each and every exam or decision in the life. Don't do it half-heartedly. Yes, you will get many different type of information. Some will tell you there are thousands of jobs for you in UAE. Others will tell you there is not a single job in UAE. Someone will tell you healthcare professionals are earning 10 million per second. Other will tell you that they are begging on the road. There can be various different forms of information. I have touched many of these topics in my videos, not all. Still you have many queries, but at the end, whatever information you get, you have to take a decision. You have to appear or not. There is no half-hearted decision. Okay, when you have decided, then go for the rest of the process. Okay, otherwise it will be a waste of your money, waste of your time, and moreover, the thing is that you will lose your self-confidence. Okay, so be focused and take your decision. When you have taken your decision, then you have to decide in which part of the UAE you want to do the job. Okay, as there are different exams of all these states, so to appear in a certain exam, you should know where you want to go, and these decisions are actually your decision. But there can be various different factors in that. Some people like to go to Sharjah because their families are there for decades. Then some people, many people like to do job in Dubai because they like the lavish lifestyle. And you know that Dubai is one of the best cities to live in the world, if I can say. There are all the facilities and all the types of entertainments there, and everything you think is there. So if you want to live a city like this, you can live there. So there is certain lifestyle and different factors that can influence your decision. Regarding this lifestyle and things, I will recommend you, if you can come to UAE for 15 days or 4 weeks, do come before taking a decision. Preferably if you have any relatives, try to live with them, and come here, visit the hospitals, go to the malls, go to the schools, colleges, whatever is relevant to your lifestyle, and check what is suitable for you. If you are coming to Abu Dhabi, going to Dubai or Sharjah is not a big deal for you. You can go each and every place and you can decide for your future more decisively. Okay, and then when you have decided for one single state, then start the process. What to do, I will tell you. Okay, so now you have decided that you want to do a job in UAE as a healthcare professional. Then first step is data verification. Primary source verification, data verification, this is the same thing. You have to upload documents online. All the verifications will be done by them. You have to do nothing. You have to pay fees only. Okay. Sometimes you have confusion that are you eligible for that exam or not after data verification? Will there be any problem or not? So better is always go to the Google and write Sharian portal, or you can write down self-assessment tool for DHA. Okay. Go to the Google and write that. There will be a link of a website. It's called Sharian portal. Without any login or anything, you have to enter your credentials and it will tell you at the end, are you eligible or not? Okay, if you are eligible for DHA, you will be eligible for DOH and MOH. There is no difference in selection criteria. Okay, so if you are eligible in this portion, it means most likely there will be no problem. So the first step, as I told you, will be data verification. When the data verification is done, you will receive a file that is in PDF. What to do first? Save that file, because this file is valid for all 3 exams. Like if you have done this data flow for DHA, but later you decided, no, I want to appear in DOH or MOH, the same file will be applicable there. You don't have to pay for data flow again. And even this file will be with you and it will be required for in future for your license renewals. If you have started job in UAE and after 2 years you are renewing your license, your facility is renewing your license, that data flow file will be needed for you to. So first step will be to save that data flow file. And I will tell you one thing more, that if you have done exam in Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and did a data flow for that, that data flow report is also valid for all the 3 exams of UAE, DOH, MOH and DHA. Okay, so first step is data verification. When the data verification is done, it will take some time, and I have made a video recently on that. If you have any confusion, do watch that. After the data verification, and they will do the data verification. Don't think that I am putting some wrong document and I can bypass them. No, there is not a single % chance. So they will do the data verification from primary source. That's why it is called primary source verification, PSV. After the data flow, second step will be to upload your application, and they will check you, are you eligible for the exam or not. Okay, this step is different from data flow. Data flow will check only are your documents valid or not. Okay, they are original or not. It doesn't mean that you are eligible to pass in the exam. You can check it with Shriyan portal, but data flow is only to verify. They are a different authority. So that's why you have to go through this step. Here they will check your exam eligibility. Yeah, when you will be eligible for exam, after there are few steps of it. You have to upload all your exam documents again, and with data flow report, and at the end again, at the end of this step you have to pay a fee. And once all the steps are done, they will give you an eligibility after some days that now you are eligible to appear in exam. Then you have to do 2 things. One thing is to select the date of your exam, and other thing is to select the place, venue for the exam. In all the major countries of the world, there are centers in their exam. They are called prometric centers. These prometric centers are available in all the big cities. You have to select your nearest exam center and exam date. All these things will be done online. And when you will go to their website, there will be next 2-3 dates available for the exam. You can select the date of your choice, and for that appearing in exam, you have to pay the exam fee. Okay, that will be different. And when you have selected the date and exam venue, they will give you the exam date. You have to go there, you have to appear in your exam, and when you clear the exam, then you are eligible to do the job in UAE. Remember that you will get license with a facility. Okay, it means that when you clear your exam, first you have to find a job. Then to activate your license, your facility will do all the process. Facility, what is facility? Facility means any clinic or hospital where you are going to do the job. Okay, when you find a job at any place, their HR will do the rest of the process. That is not your headache, and most likely they will pay for it. By law, they should pay for this step also, and they will do the step. Yes, definitely they will ask you for the documents. And when you get the job, inshallah, your license will be activated. That will be the last step. Okay. If you have any question or any doubt in this whole process, kindly do ask me. People do ask other questions down the video. It's okay, because I know your worries and things like that. But I will appreciate if you have any question regarding this topic. So when we go through one topic and we touch the question, we can close that chapter and we can go for next one. And that was all for today, and wish you very best of luck for your all decisions and your exams. May you get all you are dreaming for, and bye for today. Thank you.